Like, look at the Temu haul. So you can't even see them. I'm putting you on, man. Look, if you haven't already went to Temu, go get the 3M interior automotive neon center console and dashboard, RGB LED light strips for them. This is at Temu right now, man. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna put a link. Y'all go ahead and click this link. I have a code for y'all as well that's gonna pop up on the screen. Y'all can use this code or click the links, whichever one you choose or prefer, and y'all can go ahead and get this product right now. They got a sale. It was on the $0 gift. Definitely go there. You're gonna see the code in my YouTube description. Go ahead and grab that. Let me know how y'all like it, man. Easy install. I already started to install, and I have to just come out tonight, double check to make sure the lighting look right, and we good. But as you can see, it's in. We are going to be giving you guys a product review and install. This is from Temu, so we're gonna do a Temu install today, man. We're doing the fiber optic center console lights, the 3M lights. So basically, it's the lighting that goes around here. It's a USB remote. So basically the USB got the remote. Matter of fact, we're going to do an unpackaging real quick while we in the cat, because we are in the Hellcat. So we're going to do an unpackaging real quick, man. Oh, let's get to this unboxing, man. Let me go ahead and set y'all up. Boom. Let's do this. So we got the car code light line, right? I kind of went through everything yesterday so y'all can see. But so basically you have, I kind of pre-wired everything last night. So you have a 3M fiber optic light that's gonna go into the center console. You have the LED, the actual lighting, which is USB with the remote. You can make it connect to the music and all that cool stuff. It is an app that I have on my phone. Hopefully my phone, look at my phone, guys. But so hopefully my phone let us look at the app. But this is the app right here. Where you at? Oh, it's on my nephew's phone. I'm gonna show y'all later in the video the app. But so basically we're gonna connect to here. Boom. We gotta run it through however we're gonna fit it through. For the most part, yeah, I have a 2017 Hellcat, so I'm installing this on a 2017 Hellcat, man. Shout out to Temu. If you're looking for this product, the link will be in the description of the video with a chance for you to get a basically, they got $0 gifts on Temu right now. So if you go to Temu, if you go to the link, there's them free gifts. The most you might be paying is shipping, man. I don't know what you're gonna pay. I don't know what it's gonna be, but it's free gifts. So y'all get over to the $0 gifts right now. That's where I currently got this from. And it wasn't too much. It's affordable, you know, Temu, affordable. And to the point. But so yeah, my bad. So with that being said, you got this is basically to push it in. It's like a poker, I guess. And that's how you push it in. This is the product manual. This is how it should look. So, I mean, if you've seen it on a charger, then you know how it looks. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and install this real quick. I'm not going to take too long. I'm going to put it in and give y'all a main tutorial of everything and then let y'all know how I feel about it. Then we'll wait till the nighttime, come out here and start it up and see how it looks. But for right now, I'm finna go ahead and install this.
Sweetness.
Let's see. Man, my car been sitting for days, weeks. Let's see. Oh, it's on. Okay, so it is on. Can you see it though? That's a question. Oh yeah, you can see it. So you see right there? So I'm sure we'll have to wait till nighttime. But yeah, so it is in okay. Cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, I like that. I like that. So we're gonna find a way to keep that in. I'm probably gonna throw something to wedge it a little bit, you know. But yeah, for the most part. So tonight we're gonna come back out, check it out. But it's lit up. So tonight we're gonna come back out, check it out, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to cut it to the length you want it, which would be to here. We're gonna cut it to here. Alright. So we'll cut this piece. And then this piece, this cord will come down into here. Like through here. So through this little area, down into there, run it into here, and then we're gonna put it up in. Shout out to Temu, man. So I'll say y'all get over there. Link will be in the description, man. I have a code. I will have the code down in the description as well. I'm probably gonna say it in between this video somewhere. I'm gonna double check to make sure I get y'all the right code. But yeah, for the most part, y'all see what's going on, man. That's our Tenoski. Tonight we're gonna get in this car. We're gonna see how the lights look running. So I'm gonna leave this like this for now. We'll get in the car tonight. We're gonna see how the lights look running. All right. So YouTube. I forgot to give y'all the night look of the Temu haul. Night look of the Temu haul. So you can't even see them. Really, I'm gonna have to give the brightness 5 out of 10. I don't even know if y'all can see it, honestly. But I'm gonna give the brightness a 5 out of 10. It's definitely on. It's just not that bright. So I'm supposed to cut here and put it there, and it should be brighter. So I'm gonna do that. But for the most part, 5 out of 10. Setup, instructions, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Very easy. Tools that you needed to come with the stuff, 10 out of 10. So, I mean, for the most part, only thing I can complain about is the lighting. And I'm gonna see if this gets darker if I trim this and then put the optic LED a little closer, so it'll be about here. So I'm gonna see if that makes it brighter. If not, it's a 5 out of 10 for me. But shout out Temu for the product. We will be doing more Temu reviews. Like I said, this might not be for you if you don't like dim ass lights. So with that being said, man, like, comment, sub, SRT Noski. I'm gonna try to get y'all as much content with Temu products as I can, seeing as I am a partner and I collaborate with them now. So for the most part, man, y'all go to the link in the video if you're interested in something like this, just to see. They're not expensive, they're very cheap. They got $0 gifts right now. Y'all can get over to Temu right now and go ahead and get y'all one of these.